Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Crypto.com to your Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, I'll make sure we're covering the latest updates for 2025 to keep things smooth and hassle-free. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Open the Crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find and select USDT from the options. Next, tap on the Withdraw button for USDT. This will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the USDT section. Remember, USDT is usually on the BEP20 or ERC20 network, so double-check which one you're using for compatibility. In Trust Wallet, tap on the Receive button for USDT to generate a wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Head back to Crypto.com and paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, typically around $10 or equivalent. You'll also see network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything's correct, then hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometrics. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation message, and the funds should arrive in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Always check your Trust Wallet to confirm the deposit and keep an eye on transaction fees. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet in 2025. Remember, security is paramount in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.